All right, let's take a look at question number 9. In question 9, we're going to be assessed on how to use the cofunction identities for sine and cosine. Okay. Question 9 reads, the expression sine 57 degrees is equal to, so which of these is it equal to? So first thing you want to remember is when you think about cofunctions, you want to think about the word complementary. All right, so do you remember what complementary means? Two angles are complementary if they add up to 90 degrees. Okay, so complementary angles add up to 90 degrees, or yeah, and then supplementary angles add up to 180. So theta, if you have one angle theta 1 and that angle is equal to 90 minus another angle, so theta 1 is equal to 90 minus theta 2, this automatically tells you that what? They are both complementary. Okay, if theta 1 equals 90 minus theta 2, then theta 1 and theta 2 are complementary. Alright, how is that possible? Well, if you have theta 1 equals 90 minus theta 2, and you add theta 2 to both sides of the equation, what do you get? If you add theta 2 to both sides of the equation, you get the following equation. So let's do that. So if you add theta 2 to both sides of the equation, you get theta 1 plus theta 2 equals 90. And that is what it means for two angles to be complementary. Alright, so with that in mind, let's write out the formula. All you need to know to do this problem is the formula, okay? The formula for cofunctions. So formula for cofunctions for sine and cosine. Okay, so remember, cofunctions indicate complementary angles. That will help you a lot. Sine and cosine. Alright, so for sine, we have sine theta is equal to cosine of the complement of theta. The complement of theta is simply 90 minus theta. That's what it means to be complements, okay? And then cosine theta is going to be sine of the complement of that angle, which is 90 minus theta. So for this particular problem here, sine of 57 is simply equal to cosine of the complement of 57. What is the complement of 57? 90 minus 57. Okay, so sine of 57 is equal to cosine of 90 minus 57 is 33 degrees. The answer to question number 9 is option number 2. Okay, so that's an illustration of how to use the cofunctions identity for sine and cosine. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. I really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your preparation for your geometry exam, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is extremely valuable to us. We'll also like to know what you think about this tutorial, or if you have any questions or comments, just put it in the comment section below and we'll be more than glad to respond. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for updates to the remainder of this review series. More support resources can be found at Mathgotserved.com. Do check it out. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.